Fast shutter door air shower is a kind of purification equipment combining fast shutter door technology and air shower function, which is widely used in food processing, pharmaceutical manufacturing, microelectronics, biological engineering, and other places that need to strictly control environmental cleanliness. Its main function is to rapidly isolate the external environment through the high-speed rolling shutter door when personnel or goods enter and exit the controlled clean area, and at the same time use the air shower system to blow away the dust particles attached to the surface of personnel clothing or goods to reduce pollution into the clean area. The high-speed motor drive can complete the opening or closing action in a few seconds, effectively reducing the time of air exchange inside and outside the clean area, and maintaining the indoor cleanliness. There is an efficient air shower system with multiple sets of built-in efficient nozzles to form a comprehensive and multi-angle air shower network, which uses high-pressure airflow to forcefully purge incoming personnel or goods to remove surface dust. It has good safety performance, with safety light curtain, emergency stop button, and other safety devices to ensure the safety of personnel during use.